today with a hair review. So this hair review is on a company that I don't know the name of the company. Okay? I don't. Now, what happened was, let me tell y'all. So I went to the beauty supply store, like I said, I come and I try to find things that I can, show you guys the lowdown and the tea on. So I went to my beauty supply store and I came across this promotion that they were having. Now, if you are located in Miami, like you guys know I'm from, it's a beauty supply store called Super Discount Beauty Supply Store. I hope I'm not saying it wrong, but of course I will have that information in the description box below if you are a Miami native and if you live here. Now, they have a special going on where they give you 3 bundles with a free closure, and I think this is a 4x4 closure. I think so. I'm not really into the hair biz, but I do know it is pretty much right here. You know what I'm saying? Right here. So, the inches that they have going on is 18, 20, and 22. You get a 16-inch closure, and yeah, like they have it only in the wave texture body wave, which is what I have. Like I said, I will have the information in the description box below as far as the hair specs, the hair inches, and everything. So I only put 2 bundles in my head. This is not a full head, as you guys can see, but because I did it on myself, and like I said, I am a beginner. I do beginner friendly hairstyles. You know what I'm saying? For all my girls that don't really know how to do things, I got you. I got you. So yeah, this is definitely 2 bundles. Of course, it's not the fullest, but I do have an additional bundle as well. Maybe if I probably would have made it as a wig, which I think I will be starting to do because I am doing a lot of hair reviews, so I feel like it's only right to give my girls and my mans, my whoever looking at me and supporting me. Thank you so very much for doing so. I will be giving you guys pretty much more reviews on as far as like wig making, everything like that. Once I get into it, like I said, I do beginner friendly and cost friendly as well. I'm not hurting y'all pockets because, as you guys know, yeah, if Kimmy Krack ain't got you, nobody got you. You know what I'm saying? So I do come. So when I comes, okay. So now, as you guys can see, like I said, this is body wave texture. I did warm curl. I warm curl my hair like 2 days ago. This is brushed out curls, and as you guys can see, they still holding on. Hey, and that's listen alive. Okay, but anyways, they is really still holding on. Like I said, this promotion only goes out for my people that are in the Miami location. In the beauty supply store is called Super Discount Beauty, something like that. But like I said, I will have the information in the description box below. I also will have their Instagram in the description box below as well. So you can color this hair. Now you won't be able to get it to 613 for my girls that want to be like that. You can't be like that, but you can be very much, like a little sandy brown and a little, caramel pieces, things like that. Like you guys see how I have my bob where I have the strips. You guys can get it to that color, but it won't be, like I said, 613. So don't be saying, oh yeah, Kimmy Krack told me I could follow directions, okay? Okay? And I will also have that in the description box below as well, because I don't want y'all saying, oh yeah, sis told me I could. Sis ain't tell you that, okay? So stop that. Anyway, so what else I want to say about this closure? I did actually bleach my knots. I didn't conceal. I mean, girl, I ain't gonna lie, I be forgetting to do stuff like that. I be ready just putting on my wig and going. Like, the day I put this on, I actually had a game out at my house, and I was having to get ready for my company, and I just like, girl, take me for who I am, or don't take me at all, like Auntie Mary say. Anyways, so but yes, I do actually like this hair. Like I said, it is 2 bundles that is in my hair. I definitely could have fit the other one in, but like I said, I did this on my own head. I am beginner friendly. I'm not actually a licensed hairstylist, so don't come for me if I ain't sent for you. You know what I'm saying? So don't even try to be like, girl, you looking very thin. So, okay, don't even do that. Okay, don't even do it. So I did, like I said, I think I said I bleached knots. I did bleach the knots. What else I want to tell you guys? The hair is nice, y'all. Like it feels so good. I will be doing like probably some curly hair by them. The owner was talking to me about that. They didn't have the interest that I wanted, that's why I didn't get the curly. Because that was my original plan to get some curly hair because I do want to get curls for the cross. You know what I'm saying? I want to be like that. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, they ain't had that stuff, so I couldn't give you that. But definitely like you guys let me know in the description box below what hair texture or what color or whatever you want. Like I do these reviews for you guys, and I speak for the people, and the people know me because they know I speak. So you know what I'm saying? So drop down the description box below. Not the description box below, but the comment box below, and let me know what do y'all want to see the girl in. Like you know what I'm saying? Like I definitely want to tell you guys I thank you so much for your love and support. I'm trying to see what I'm missing from the hair though. Yeah, I actually got like I said, I don't know if I said it, but I got 18, 20, and 22 inches, and as you guys can see, it's long. I'm 5'3", so it's not really long, but it's something. It is a little something. You know what I'm saying? And I just like when I do my baby hairs like this. It give me like innocent girl, like you know that kind of me. But anyways, I'm going off topic. But don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm so goofy. I'm sorry. But of course, you guys can definitely comment below and let me know if you guys have any other questions about the company, I mean, about the hair and everything. I feel like I'm missing something, but I just had to definitely come on and show you guys the hair. I like the hair. I think the actual owner, the beauty supply store, because she definitely took her time and making sure she was able to match everything together with the, pretty much with this. I told her I was doing like a review. So yeah, like she was very professional and was willing to help me and answer like pretty much all my questions. And I did pre-wash my hair. I took it back to the old days, like the co-washing days. You know, girls used to do that. I don't think we do that no more nowadays. But I did do that. And yeah, I didn't have any like I had like shedding, but it wasn't like drastic shedding. Like I said, I don't really have any complaints. I will be getting the curly hair soon. I do wish that I probably would have put the other bundle in and make it a little more fuller. But I will be actually starting to make wigs on my own, like on my own, um, for myself. I'm sorry, because I'm not a professional. I don't do those things for other people. I ain't get that yet, sis. Ain't get that yet, but I will actually buy my wig head so I can be doing reviews like that for you guys. And I'm trying to think what else I want to say. Like I just miss you guys so much. I know I've been like doing like a video here and there, but I'm trying to like get everything in together as far as like being a mom, of course, not trying to bring up excuses or whatever, but I'm just saying, like, like trying to fit everything in because I work a full time job, and by the time I get off, like, I be like tired. But I be having a lot to say, so that's the thing. So I'm trying to get to that common ground. So just bear with me, you guys. Thank you guys for the love and support. I actually see that I'm at like 400 subscribers. I definitely appreciate it so very much. Definitely comment down below if you have any video ideas for me, topics, anything, sis. I do it all. You know what I'm saying? I'm a worldwide woman. www. Okay. But anyway, so thank you guys. Don't forget